Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Hamilton County, northwestern Claremont County, until 6:45 p.m. At 6:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Milford, moving east at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cincinnati, Blue Ash, Reading, Montgomery, Madera, Milford, Deer Park, Forestville, Amelia, Marymount, Terrace Park, Batavia, Silver Grove, Salem Heights, Camp Dennison, Riverbend and Coney Island, Withamsville, Ross Moines, Remington and Plainville. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 9 and 14. You are listening to NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio, KIH. Markers 9 and 14, originating from the National Weather Service office in Wilmington, Ohio. We have interrupted our regular programming as severe weather is affecting our listening area.